Layout Lines how-to video. The Layout Lines application is used to place marks in the field at predominant points where the points are to be set up. These points can be part of a line or an arc. The application offers the possibility to lay out control lines, parallel and perpendicular lines, and it also aligns structures in relation to them. By using layout lines, we can simply rebuild and extend incomplete structures. Aligning columns and anchor bolt patterns is now easy and fast. Let's start by laying out a line. The line is defined by selecting it or by tapping the relevant elements. To change the direction of the line, select Flip from the toolbox. This will change the start point of the line. Once the element is defined, press Start. As the target moves around, real-time measurement data and guidance is constantly displayed in the info bar. Knowledge about offset and lines are present in the info bar as well as on the map. The black line represents the offset. Follow the guidance to navigate to the target, and once the target is in tolerance, the color of the pole changes to green. Press Store and mark the position on the ground. The selected line is an infinite line, so we can store points wherever we want along the line. We can intensify the grid by applying line and offset to different construction lines. We can stake out a parallel line by using the Parallel Offset tool. By entering the offset value and pressing Accept, we can see on the map where the new position will be. Depending on the start point of the reference line, the offset is displayed. The process of staking out with a parallel offset is the same as staking out a line normally. The grid can be intensified either by applying a parallel offset or by creating perpendiculars to the construction lines. The Perpendicular Line tool offers the possibility to create a perpendicular line to be set out. Let us imagine we have to lay out a line perpendicular to our construction line. We can choose the position of the new perpendicular line in relation to our reference line. If we're in the situation that we have to lay out an excavation trench between a manhole and the building, but the line cannot be selected, we can create it by using Connect Points. To connect two points, we just have to select them on the map. It doesn't matter which point you select first. The starting point of a reference line can always be changed using the Flip tool. We can lay out the created line by storing points along it at a defined distance. The value that can help us set an interval is present in the info panel. After creating the line, we can proceed to lay out points on this line at a defined distance. Let's imagine that the entrance of the building has the shape of an arc. We can use the Layout Lines application also to lay out arcs. Instead, we select the arc we want to stake out, and the process is similar to laying out a line. We can also stake out points on the artificial arc. Still using icon, still in the field.